Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create bucket linkage. This is the second part of Volvo Excavator. So let's start from the sketch. Select any plane and draw a sketch here. So I'm going to draw a sketch from the origin. Click on circle command and draw a circle at the origin. Defining its diameter is 115 mm. And again click on circle command. Again draw a circle having diameter of 190 mm. Draw a construction line from the origin. Now exit from the line command. After that, again draw a construction line from the origin, defining its length from the origin is 670 mm. And again click on center line, construction line, and again draw a line having distance of 378 mm. Now again click on the circle command and draw a circle here. Now defining its diameter is 115 mm inside circle and the outside circle having diameter of 270 mm. Now defining its width from the origin is 134 mm. Okay, now again draw a line and adding relation between the line and the circle is tangent. Select line and circle, adding relation, tangent, and click OK. And trim the extra line. Click on OK. After that, again select line command and draw a line here, adding the relation between the line and this outside circle is tangent. Now extend the line. Okay, adding the relation between both these lines, defining its angle is 5 degrees. Now click on trim extend entities and extend this line up to the edge of the circle. Now defining its total height. Again click on center line, again draw a line from the origin and defining its height from the origin is 930 mm. After defining its height at the meeting points, we need to draw a line circle again. Make these points coincident with each other and draw a circle here and defining its diameter is 115 mm and defining the outside diameter is 270 mm. Now escape from the smart dimensions. Again click on line command and draw a line and add relation between the circle and the line is tangent. Again select the line and select the circle and add relation between them is tangent. After adding the relation between these two lines, we need to draw a line again here. Click on line command and draw a line, adding relation between the line and the circle is tangent and defining the length of the line is 30 mm. Now select arc command and draw a 3-point arc. And click OK. Defining the radius of the arc is 120 mm. Adding relation between the arc and the line is tangent and select arc again and the line, adding relation between them is tangent. Now the sketch is almost ready. After that we need to make the inside circle into the construction geometry. Click on circle and make it into construction geometry. We didn't require the inside circle, so we can trim it or make it into construction geometry. So and click on trim command and trim the inside circle. And click OK. After that we need to extrude it boss. So click on feature and select extrude base command and extrude it boss from the mid plane is 300 mm and click OK. After then choose right plane and keep the sketch in normal position and click on sketch and draw a sketch here. Draw sketch with the help of line command. And again click on line command. and click OK. After that we need to define its width from the edge is 72 mm. Same in both directions is 72 mm. Now draw a line from here, this point to this point, and this point to this point, and defining the angle between both these lines. Click on first line and second line, and defining this angle is 100 degree, same as in this direction here. Click on first line and second line, defining this angle is 100 degree. After that select edge, first one and second one, and defining its height from the top is 235 mm. From the both sides is 235 mm. Now extruded cut, so click on feature and select extrude cut command and select mid plane and extruded cut through all. After that we need to choose the mid plane, that is front plane, and keep this sketch in normal position. And here again we need to draw a sketch, so click on sketch command, activate the line feature here, simply draw a line and trim the extra line here. Now defining its length and width, so click on smart dimension. So defining the length of the line is 600 mm and defining its height from the origin is 410 mm. And defining its width from the origin is 351 mm. Defining the offset here is 410 mm also, and defining its height from the origin is 531 mm. Now sketch is fully defined. Now we need to extrude it cut from the mid plane, so select feature and select extrude cut and select mid plane from here. Entering the value here is 143.50 and extrude it cut from the mid plane and click OK. After that we need to apply fillet at the all edges having value of 10 mm. So select the edges one by one. You can also select here the face to apply the fillets on the all edges. We need to apply the fillet on the all edges having value of 10 mm radius. Hitting the face and selecting the edges. Now click on OK. Now you can see that the fillets applied on the all edges. Now the bucket linkage is ready. Now we are going to apply the appearances on the bucket linkage. Click on appearances and right click on the body and select any color from here. So now the linkage is ready for use in the Volvo Excavator. This is all about the bucket linkage, the second part of Volvo Excavator. The next part is continue with next video. Thanks for watching the video.